Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel, and today I want you to show you 3 useful tips to make your PC more usable. Not like in the some are in performance, someone in general. So the first options so the first tip is that when you want to put emoji on your PC, all you need to do is click on Windows key and blend, and it will show you all the emojis you can choose for. For example, you can choose the smile emoji, symbols, and emojis. So the second one is more corrected, and you need to research more of what you can get for it. Is if you have 100% keyboard, you can have the right hand side of your numbers. So what you need to do is you need to enable the numbers on your keyboard and hold Alt and any key you want. For example, I'm right now holding Alt and 1, and I will have a nice smile face. But if you want to use it for correct ways, for example, my keyboard doesn't work on numbers from 1 to 7. I will hold Alt and type 13.5, and I will have hashtag that is the number of 3 when you hold Shift and 3. And the third tip, it is not if it is by performance issues, or if something is still on your PC, and that is you will need to hold Windows key and R. You will have this option to type whatever you want, and to remove unwanted files you will type temp a percentage temp and prefet. And once you are there, you will click on Alt, Ctrl and A to pick all the files, and afterwards click Shift and Delete. So when you are cleaning your Windows or so on, like deleting files or something else, in temp, percentage temp and prefetch, there are also some tiny files that are still here, and you can delete them all by pressing Ctrl A and afterwards Shift Delete. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.